children. Now y is equal to a into x square plus b by ax plus c by a. If I take a common for a equation, we got such way, and wherever it is not common, there it divides. And a, I will make this expression as a perfect square. X square plus 2x b by 2a plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a, adding and subtracting c by a. So up to here is a perfect square. A into x plus b by 2a whole square plus 4ac minus b square by 4a square. So that y is equal to a into x plus b by 2a. Just multiply a inside. 4ac minus b square by 4a, you got it there. You bring that value this side. Y minus 4ac minus b square by 4a is equal to a into x plus b by 2a whole square. Now let me take this y minus this total thing as capital Y, and the small this x plus b by 2a as capital X. You will have y is equal to ax square. Y is equal to ax square. Now it is in the form of x square equal to 4ax. Is a parabola. Is a parabola. Parabola will be like this. Actual the parabolic path will be like this. And in our quadratic equation, we will take in different way. Okay. The previous we got sum of the roots alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, and product of the roots alpha beta equal to c by a. To form a quadratic equation, we have x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equal to 0. Whenever if you make it a perfect value and taking common, you will get x minus alpha into x minus beta equal to 0. This is also one of the quadratic equation. If you know this formula, directly you can substitute in this whenever a sum of the roots is given, and otherwise you make like this, you will get the answer. And if you will go for one example, if sum of the roots alpha plus beta is 5 and alpha beta is 2, then the quadratic equation will be x square minus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. Like this you will make the value. Or otherwise, if is given alpha is 2 and beta is 1, so make the sum of the roots. 2 plus 1 is 3 and alpha beta product, and 2 into 1 is 2. So go for substitution in that equation. You will have 3x plus 2 equal to 0 is a quadratic equation. Like this you can find the remaining values. See here, if the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a comma b comma c belongs to complex numbers whose roots are alpha and beta, when first one, when one root of the quadratic equation is 0, one root of the quadratic equation in this general form, then the product of the roots is c by a, then that is equal to, should be equal to 0. Make the equal to 0, then you will get c is equal to 0. C is equal to 0. The condition is c is equal to 0. If c is 0, then you will get the quadratic equation. One root definitely you will have 0. Here, for example, 5x square plus 3x equal to 0. Take the x common from that. 5x plus 3 you will have and equal to 0. Then make it x is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 3 by 5 are, we have the two roots. One root compulsory, that is 0. When it happens, when the constant term is 0. Okay, remember that. Now we will go for the b. When one root of the equation is infinite, one root of the quadratic equation is infinite, what about the other one? Now to find that one, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, one root is infinite, is given that. Now put in the place of x, replace with 1 by t in the above equation, then we have the condition a into 1 by t whole square plus b into 1 by t plus c equal to 0. Now if you take the LCM, you will have a plus c bt plus c t square is a quadratic equation in terms of t, not in terms of x. Why? Because in the place of x we put 1 by t. So this will be reciprocal to that one. Now take the condition of a. What is the condition? Actually infinite. It will be, what is the reciprocal of infinite is 0. So that now take the condition a, we have a is equal to 0 is the condition in that. Why? Because see, constant term should be 0. Here the constant term is a, so a should be equal to 0. Now for example, if you take x plus 1 whole square plus x square plus 5x, it seems to be in the form of a quadratic equation, but it's not a quadratic equation. Okay, because now whenever the x square coefficient is cancelled, so x square plus 1 plus 2x, x square plus 5x. On the both the sides, x square will be cancelled. Then you will have 3x is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3. Where is the other root then? the other root will be infinite. The other root will be infinite because x square coefficient already it is cancelled there. So a quadratic equation definitely will have two roots. So we can go for some example for that.